Our secret weapon is Jared. He's the man. He wants to discuss things bad.
I got 15 people that play. Virgil on the TV show. So my guy wrote the witness thing.
We see you at the Extreme Arena.
It looks like Team Hiking Slam's got the eye of the tiger. Let's hope they bring it in our next event. We call it Sky Slam. You ever seen that dropping down the road, slammed up in a basketball? Well, if you're a basketball fan, then this next event is for you. We like to call it Sky Slam, where players are going to fly through the air, grab this loose ball right here. They're going to pass down over. Player number 2 across the way is going to catch the ball, rise way above the rim, pretend like they're LeBron James, and slam it home. Let's go to our referee, Oscar Rivera.
In Scotland, we got to score as many baskets as they can.